All right, hey guys. This is Dr. Roberts here. This is morning two. Like I said in my intro, I wanted to document as much as I possibly could. Good days, bad days, ups, downs, successes, wins, as well as struggles. So, as you can probably see on my face right now, it is this sucks. I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to power through it, but last night was rough. Day one, honestly, day one wasn't that bad. Ate fairly well. Stayed away from the sugar. Stayed away from the sweets. Very low carbs. And it wasn't that bad until last night. I got home from an event, and man, I was hungry. I was really hungry. I was able to eat a snack, a healthy snack, and get to bed, and slept somewhat okay. Fell asleep fairly quickly, but man, woke up several times in the middle of the night, starving, and really wanting a carb of some kind. I woke up this morning, first thing I could think of was a Shipley donut. Just going to throw that out there. Just going to be honest. It was, the struggle is real for sure. Man. But made it through. Got up, fixed breakfast for the family. We're getting ready to go to Sprouts and do some healthy grocery shopping, healthy, affordable grocery shopping. May document some of that, may not. I'm not really sure. But again, guys, I'm going to be transparent during this whole process and not going to just post videos of all the great easy days and this is so easy and anybody can do this. And I'm going to post as much as I can. Like I said, even the days that I struggle, and I am struggling right now. We just ate a huge breakfast, a huge healthy breakfast, a huge keto breakfast. And I gotta admit, I'm still kind of craving those old cravings of what I used to have. A big plate of biscuits with jelly, just all that junk that we used to take in on a daily basis. But we're going to get through. We're going to power through it. We're going to do okay. And I will keep you guys updated. And we'll talk to you later. See you guys.